Hey plant lovers! Ready to welcome a stunning, easy care succulent into your home? Let's explore the wonderful world of aloe vera, nature's own first aid kit and a gorgeous addition to any indoor gardening. Why aloe vera is every plant parent's dream. Imagine a plant that requires minimal care, looks absolutely gorgeous, offers incredible health benefits, and survives even if you're not a plant expert. Sound too good to be true? Meet aloe vera. Where to place your aloe? Location is everything for these sun-loving succulents. It can take a little direct sunshine, but too much will burn the leaves. Your lighting should be bright, indirect sunlight. Avoid harsh, direct afternoon sun. Ideal locations are near a west or east-facing window shelf or plant stand. Aloe vera are succulents, so they store water in their leaves. It is important not to overwater them. Water whenever the top few centimeters of compost dry out. Make sure you let the water drain away fully. Do not let the plant sit in water as this may cause the roots to rot. Aloes need very little water in winter. Aloes are slow growing, so repot when the plant has outgrown its pot, usually every 2 or 3 years. Feed every couple of months from April to September with a weak plant food. Wipe the leaves occasionally, to prevent dust building up. A terracotta pot is ideal for an aloe vera plant. It is porous, so allows the soil to dry out between watering. Ensure that it has a drainage hole. Choose a pot that's the same size as the root ball. Use houseplant or cactus compost, or ordinary peat-free multipurpose compost with some horticultural grit or perlite added. You could top the compost with a layer of grit. This will keep the base of the plant dry and will prevent it from rotting. I have put a link in the description for some good compost for your aloe vera plant. Aloes are very easy to propagate. The baby plants, called offsets, appear at the base of the plant. Wait until the offsets are around 1/5 of the size of the parent plant. Gently take the whole plant out of its pot and gently tease away and separate the pups, making sure that you get some root attached to each one. If there are no roots, allow the nub at the bottom to dry out for a couple of days. Alternatively, cut away the offsets with a sharp knife. Pot up each plant into succulent compost or multi-purpose compost with plenty of perlite for added drainage. Water it well, letting any excess water to drain away. Problem solving your aloe vera plant. Red leaves indicate that your plant is getting too much direct sunlight. Move it to a bright spot that is out of direct sun. Wrinkled leaves are a sign that your plant is very short of water. Water lightly over a period of a few days, and mist the leaves. Pale or yellow leaves could mean that your aloe has been overwatered, or it isn't getting enough of light. Brown or mushy leaves are due to overwatering. You may notice scale insects on the leaves, they look like brown blobs. Remove with a cotton pad soaked in organic insecticide. You can find aloe vera in garden centers and nurseries, or buy online. I put a link in the description. 3 varieties of aloe vera to grow. Lime fizz is an unusual, compact plant with orange, raised marking on the sides of edges of the leaves. Its compact design make it perfect for small places. Arborescens, torch aloe, is a large aloe with rosettes of succulent toothed sword-shaped leaves, from which tall, torch-like red flowers appear in summer. Red sparkler has green leaves heavily spotted white, with small white teeth around the leaf edge. In summer, tall slender white-tipped pink flowers appear. Growing aloe is about embracing simplicity. These resilient plants thrive on minimal intervention, perfect for busy plant parents or those new to gardening. Unlocking the amazing health benefits of aloe vera. This incredible plant is a powerhouse of health benefits that can transform your skincare routine and boost your overall well-being. Spend too much time soaking up the sun? Aloe vera is your new best friend. Its gel-like substance provides instant relief to sunburns and minor burns, reducing pain and inflammation. The plant's moisturizing effects can improve skin integrity and decrease the appearance of fine wrinkles caused by sun damage. Aloe vera can help with a variety of skin conditions. Thanks to its antiseptic properties, aloe vera can fight acne-causing bacteria. You can also buy 100% aloe vera gel. I put a link in the description. Try it on cold sores, cuts and scrapes. The plant's antiviral properties can accelerate wound healing and reduce scarring. Another one is insect bites. It will help with healing and itching. Do you suffer from psoriasis on your skin? Aloe's anti-inflammatory effects may provide relief. It will help with healing and itching. Aloe vera is an antioxidant powerhouse. It is packed with antioxidants that work wonders for your body. Aloe vera supports your immune system by enhancing your body's natural defenses. Aloe vera regulates your blood sugar. Some studies suggest it may help manage blood sugar levels. Aloe vera helps with inflammation reduction. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help soothe various conditions. It may help soothe digestive issues and promote gut health. Some research indicates it could help maintain healthy cholesterol levels. Aloe vera's antibacterial properties might help fight tooth decay and gum disease. How to use aloe vera? Apply aloe gel directly to the skin for burns, cuts, or skin conditions. Aloe vera juice or supplements are available. Try a small amount in water or orange juice. You can mix aloe gel with other natural ingredients for a soothing face mask. Remember, while aloe vera offers numerous benefits, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new health regimen. So what are you waiting for? Make aloe vera an addition to your home and health life today. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and share.